Hey everybody, welcome back to the Gun Rack. Today we're going to be looking at the FMK Arms Ar15 platform. Overall, I like the way it looks, it holds, aims. I like the handle, comes in handy, and the iron sights are really nice. It shoots smooth. All right, we're gonna see how we did. A little bit of walk. Don't mind me, I'm a little fat. I'm gonna turn this thing around. Shooting about 50 yards. Not my rifle, new rifle. Let's see how we did. A little bit over. It's going for the top right, and we did all right. I mean, there's a couple that are kind of all over the place, but overall the gun shot well. Yeah.